Are you ready to take your finance career to the next level? Want to master the skills top investment banks demand? Welcome to Wall Street Mojo's Investment Banking Mastery Program, led by industry experts with 50-plus years of combined experience. This program is designed to give you in-depth knowledge and hands-on training in essential finance topics, including financial modeling and valuation, build and analyze financial statements with ease, merger modeling training, learn how mergers and acquisitions work and create powerful deal models, LBO modeling training, master leverage buyouts and understand the mechanics behind them, comprehensive derivatives training, get a strong grip on futures, options, and swaps. And because Excel is a must-have skill in finance, we're giving you exclusive access to our Excel course to help you work smarter and more efficiently. The best part? This program is 100% self-paced, so you can learn anytime, anywhere at your convenience. Upon completion, you'll receive a valuable certification, which will be a powerful boost to your resume. Whether you're a student, a finance professional, or an aspiring investment banker, this program will give you the competitive edge you need to stand out in the industry. Thousands have already joined and are now working in top financial firms. Now it's your turn. Don't miss this opportunity to gain real-world finance skills from the best. Enroll in the Investment Banking Mastery Program today and start your journey to success.